Wow, 1000 followers. What a journey it's been. When we first started Security Pulse, it wasn't easy. Building a cybersecurity community from scratch took dedication, long nights, and a belief that we could make an impact. There were challenges, but the wins kept us going. From launching our first ever podcast to running a 5G security bootcamp, then to exhibiting in a conference. And let's not forget, building our custom labs for hands-on learning was a game changer. Through it all, it's you, our incredible community, who made this possible. Your engagement, support, and a belief in our mission have fueled our passion for delivering innovative, affordable security solutions. This milestone is just the beginning. We are more committed than ever to bringing cutting-edge cybersecurity education, expert insights, and an innovative to help you stay ahead. Let's keep pushing boundaries together. Follow Xecurity Pulse, stay engaged, and let's shape the future of cybersecurity. Thank you.